I'm going to show how to tie and fish the Fog-Ball Mop Fly. The following are the materials that you will need. The main ingredient to this fly pattern is the microfiber from a Rain-X fog ball. The off-white color has proven to be my most successful mop fly. I purchased this one online. My favorite hook is the size 12 1 1/100th ounce lead head jig hooks. I purchased these online. However, I've had some luck finding these at various fly shops as well. I painted the heads black for this pattern. For thread, I will use black size 6/0, and I will dress the collar using Peacock Herl. Note, I have also used black thread alone for the collar and had the same success. Begin by securing the hook in the vise. Then make tight thread wraps followed by a little head cement. Then select a mop body from the fog ball, cutting it at the base. Clean a few fibers from the cut end. This will expose the core threads. Twist these threads together. You could even sear them with a lighter if you want. Next, position on the back of the shank and tie on in this manner. Wrap the thread on the front end of the shank to create space for the collar. At this point, you can simply wrap more thread to bulk up the collar and be done. Or create a collar with your favorite attractant material. In this case, I will be using strands of Peacock Herl. Tie on 3 or 4 strands in this manner and wrap forward to the head. Finally, snip the tag ends, whip finish, and add a drop of head cement. The fly is now ready to use. When fishing this fly, I usually drift below an indicator. The lead head allows it to drop fairly quickly and is effective in deep water.